Welcome to Richmond Language Academy. Has any of these situations happened to you before? You were in another country and you wanted to ask more information but don't know how. You needed help while traveling but you didn't know how to explain your situation. You wanted to make friends or do business with foreigners but you lacked the skills to communicate. You were embarrassed about your English because of bad pronunciation and wrong expressions, so you don't have the confidence. Well, if your answer is yes, we're here to help you. Richmond Language Academy is an intensive language tutorial in Cebu, Philippines. Our EEP, or the English Exposure Program, is a task-based learning method which deals with real situations so you can get real results in the shortest amount of time. In this program, you will be able to learn and practice in the comfort of your hotel and quickly apply your skills in English environments with the help of our professional and friendly teachers, as well as our unique and modern materials. If you want to learn more about our courses, please visit our website. See you then!